There we go. And then when it goes kumnyama, you press this button here on top.
Okay.
Yeah, but it won't. Okay.
It's already shooting.
Good day, Marisburg Power Podcast viewers. Sanbonani, Base Marisburg, Base Tawini, Sanbonani. Hello, hi. As we highlight Marisburg and surrounding areas, Marisburg is Pateleng. Why should you be part of Marisburg? You know, why should you be part of the capital city of the province? Why should you be in the administration city of the province? Okay, and the young people here are not just sitting and wandering around. I got a sneak peek of someone who is hustling their butt off to make sure that the young people of the city are up and running and showing things. I've got Sisi Lana from Rooted Wings. She's going to introduce herself and tell us more about what is this hustle about, and then what is this ukuthi ngahlaleki phansi ukuthi uzositshela kabanzi ukuthi ubani nokuthi uphuma. Sawubona.
Sanibona sisilungi unjani?
Ngiyajabula
ukuba se-Marisburg Power Podcast. It's my first time doing radio or podcast or anything of such. But ngiyabonga, thank you for having me here. As Lungi has said, LUNGELO, BHENGU. I'm coming from NPO to Rooted Wings Youth Development Association. Kamunga from Mbali, Ewani, here in Pietermaritzburg. A lot of people buy Yazigi Mbali Wani. It's famous and infamous.
Yes, yes,
but we are very progressive, so the organization that deals a lot with community-based projects, as meeting in our way, and we run community gardens as in Bali. We are trying to develop small-scale farmers create an economy just in the locations only, using a municipal land that's readily available. You don't need to buy it, you don't need to rent it. You speak to whoever the custodian of Umhlaba is, which is Tina in our local district is our councillor. So we are giving access if you've got Inde Fananjengale. So the easiest way to make money is to use Zamela.
Yeah.
We tried to do the whole corporate thing, we tried to do the whole work thing. Manje so we could see azenzela siyabambela nje.
Niyazwake. Your power is in your hands, as they say. But I love the project with community gardens. That means people can feed themselves. In my mind, first thing I was like, okay, that means I can feed myself. But then commercially, how does it work?
Commercially, it works once you're done feeding yourself. So space about isn't this progressive. Now ulungile unamakabishi space like outswing. You're only probably in a month going to eat 5 of those cabbages as a family. So what do you do with the other 15? If itshaleke kahle ekhule kahle thina Rooted Wings uyakwazi ukuhlangana nathi sikusize udayisele 15 wamakhabisha futhi. So when utshalile waphuma namakhabisha awu-20 kulawo 5 awu-20 when udle 5 kulo 15 it's potential business. That is the mindset that we're trying to create. That you could be a business uyihlalele nje wena endlini ngey'tshalo zakho lezi
Ngengadi yakho.
Yes, once usuqedile wena ukudla waqeda ukuphisana, the excess that you have left is potential money. Now uma ubona ukuthi okay ngalamaklabishi ami if iklabishi liwu-10 ngamaklabishi ami awu-15 ngiyakwazi ukwenza 150.
Definitely.
Do you see?
Definitely.
Not just amaklabishi kuphela, unespinach futhi khona la, unotamatisi khona la, uno-green pepper khona. In a space of 3 months, awuzokwazi ukuhlanganisa u-500 ngale produce osuyenzile.
Definitely.
Just wena la. In a space of 3 months.
And at the same time, I don't have to run to the shops to go get my
Your-
shebo sami.
Exactly,
You know.
exactly. That is
Konje yini ishebo ngesi? I got any shebo.
stew or groceries, yes, or whatever. Yeah.
No.
So the only idea here to Sislungi is that siyakhala sikhala ngendlela. Sikhala ngokungabinamali. Whereas small scale gardening could cover those two things.
Definitely.
Could cover those two things in a small space. The method esisebenzisayo yokutshala is not just ukuthi it's monoculture ufika nje phonsi into lapha phela amaklabisha u20. There's permaculture systems manje seyisebenza where you could do multi-crop farming, you know, on a small scale where you could do no-till gardening, where you could do raised bed gardening. It doesn't have to be the old school way of you know. We try and send an engadi, ibe exciting, ibe yinhle, ibe namaflower in between.
So now, nginaso ispace sami, iy'thelo zami ngizithatha, ngiyanikeza iy'thelo lezami.
Wena mawukhona uyafisa ukusebenzisana no-Rooted Wings, uyayithanda lento esiyenzayo, uyafika ngicela i-assistance nayo indawo enginayo. Nginendawo engaka, ngiyayivula, ngiyenze njani, okay, siyakubuza wena ufuna ube kanjani. Ama-different methods esiwathanda ukuwasebenzisa ey'ngadini. Fine, sithi ufuna i-raised bed gardening. Okay, kwi-raised bed gardening, wena ma ujwayele ukudlala, okay, mina kwami ngiyalidla iklabishi, mina kwami ngiyayidla imfino, mina kwami ngiyawudla mhlawumbe broccoli, let's say it's winter gardening njengoba sekushintsha isizwe. Mina kwami siyawudla u-beetroot, mina kwami siyawudla u-carrots, mina kwami siyawudla u-peas. So already kulesi space yakhe encane siyabona ukuthi okay uma singakwazi ukumtshalela la umklabishi no-beetroot nespinach. All of that kuyakwazi ukungena in the same space. Awudingi ukuthi uthole a separate area for spinach, uthole a separate area. In the same space, in between each row of iklabishi uyafaka u-beetroot wakho. So it's a mindset, it's a culture that we're trying to create. Uyakwazi ukuyifeeda a variety of food in a small space and still make money out of it.
So mengabe uthengenza imali ke, do you guys benefit? Ukhona a certain percentage engikunikeza yona?
Not at all. We are a non-profit. Tina, we assist you. If you want to use our platform, because eventually as Rooted Wings, we create an online platform that's not just for the buyer, but also the seller. The seller can say, listen, I have beetroot, bunches out 10. Ibangena on our online store because it's an online for buyers and for sellers. So ofuna beetroot somewhere we are now online. We are ordered. Their order doesn't necessarily need to go through us.
Yes, it goes straight to you.
It can go straight to you as the person or harvesting. The assistance in you buy, you use our plants, you clean your products, that is the only thing, that is the only thing that maybe we can assist you outside of the donors who's created. If you feel like you need to pay for our services, you can pay for our services. If yes, it was a daisela through us, then we take a small percentage just for being the middleman.
Of course, administration.
Yes, just as an admin. But we fully non-profit. Non-profit. That we assist with that is a band. We are just merely creating a platform where all these small scale crop producers can come together and create an economy.
Asiyimuhlala phansi bakwethu i-Rooted Wings ikhona mengabe ukuthi sifuna ukunithola sithola.
Siyatholakala sisembali ewani. Our email address is rootedwings61@gmail.com. Cell phone number yamina as the horticulturalist, Minu Garden Girl. Our organization is 076-753-0995.
Oh, okay.
Ngaisha 40 076-753-0995. You can also follow us on Facebook. We also have a Facebook link. Rooted Wings Youth is our Facebook link.
Okay.
We have a website coming up, I think, in the next month. So I think as time goes on,
Okay, we social media is just Facebook.
For now, it's just Facebook because we want to go and integrate everything fully onto our website before we do Instagram. WhatsApp. But you can communicate also with me on WhatsApp. People are free to do that. That number, you can call, you can WhatsApp. Any questions you may ask, even if it's just we give advice on that.
In terms of that,
we do soil testing, but obviously, the Second Department of Agriculture, we're still trying to find our own personal devices. There's a link up so that we bypass going to the department all the time because now we're a backlog here.
Of course.
But our growing systems ends up where we want to regenerate the soil and replenish the soil than to use the soil that's already there. So Tina will always come and add on
already what you
already the soil that you have. So you are never in a space of saying, Mina, I have bad soil, I can't do this. As much as possible, we try and put in more organic material in the soil.
Thank you so much for joining us. Marisburg, the reason why as a young person you should be in Marisburg, I present to you Rooted Wings. Thank you so much for joining us. I'll catch you next time.
Thank you.